Wall and ceiling paper, check with the stockist what any symbols mean. They explain to you pattern repeats, color shading, and so on. Cut a piece of paper off the roll to length, allowing approximately 100 to 150 millimeters extra. Using a paste table, paste the paper, making sure that all the edges are covered. Try to avoid getting any paste onto the table. Fold the pasted faces together. This allows for easy manageability for longer pieces. Finish pasting your cut-to-length piece. Papering a ceiling can be a tricky process. Always work off a stable platform. Never overreach. You may find it useful to rest the folded paper on a stick, or even on another roll of paper, as you can see here. We're using the plaster coving as our straight edge to work from. It's advisable to check which is the straightest edge, then work from there. Once you've lined up your edge, smooth the paper out with a paper hanging brush. Make sure that all the bubbles and creases are carefully smoothed out. Open the paper out in stages, smoothing as you go along. Repeat across the width of the room. Brush over the paper a second time. Mark any edges with a pair of scissors. Pull the paper away and cut. Brush the paper back into place. Make sure that all the edges are firmly fixed. Identify the pattern repeat and mark both pieces of paper for ease later on. Measure the piece, cut, and paste. Put the paper onto the ceiling. Now line up the pattern. Identifying the pencil marks, make any fine adjustments. You'll discover that the paper will slide around quite easily when the paste is still wet. Smooth out. Move across the ceiling as before, taking care. Only apply small pieces of the length to the ceiling at any one time. Cut around any external corners by marking with the scissors as before.